Hello, my name is Elizabeth Heinrichsen, and this is my Week 3 discussion presentation to company staff for HCS412 Health Promotion Planning and Evaluation. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to come learn more about what the new program will be about and how your answers to the needs assessment surveys have helped to shape the program. Our mission and vision. We envision a healthy workforce that enjoys good health through regular physical activity and disease prevention. Our mission is to aid employees in bettering their health and wellness through a workplace that promotes healthy behaviors with a physically and mentally healthy environment. Here is the logic, or the why, behind the choices for the mission and vision statements. The overall vision of a healthy workforce is something that I think that we can all agree on. As individuals, life is easier and we are happier when we're healthy. There's less to stress over. However, it can be hard to stay healthy when we do not prioritize our physical activity and if we are not actively preventing disease. So the mission focuses on the workplace. However, the social aspect of the physical activity program will also be important for overall health. Therefore, this program's mission and vision focuses on helping you, the employees, find ways to increase your physical activity and prevent disease through immunization programs. These two goals will promote a healthy workforce, both physically and mentally. So after reviewing the results of the needs assessment that so many employees filled out, there were a couple of suggested programs that the majority of respondents felt they would take part in. One was the immunization program, and the other was a physical activity program. There was a significant proportion of people that also felt stressed on a regular basis. And while this program does not directly address stress, regular physical activity has been shown to lower stress and help improve mood. The CDC lists the benefits of regular physical activity as including the improvement of mental health, cognitive function, aerobic fitness, and lowering the risk of diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Therefore, the two most pressing issues to base the program on are the physical activity goals and getting as many people as possible immunized from the seasonal flu. So to give you the overall process that the program will follow, I have laid out a few objectives. But first, the physical activity goal for the program is to increase the amount of regular physical activity performed by employees, thereby bettering the overall health and wellness of the company as a whole. We will do this by offering groups that staff can join to be around others that share their interests and offer a competitive or rewarding environment. This program is to be individualized to what you, the staff, need. This is not a one-size-fits-all program. We also have an agreement with the local gym to have discounts for memberships for our staff. And again, within the groups, you'll have competitions, prizes, goals that's determined by each of your group's needs. The immunization program will offer a convenient alternative to those who wish to get their flu shots but have a hard time finding time outside of work or taking time off. It will also help you stay healthier over the winter season and reduce illness. Overall, it'll save time, money, and effort. It will do this by offering a flu shot clinic here on site through a partnership with the local health clinic. All you have to do is sign up for the clinic, then show up in the cafeteria at your appointment time. No leaving the building or hassling with a doctor's schedule. So now that we have our physical activity goal, the process has several objectives. I've laid these out here so that you can get a good understanding of what we're doing and how I'm going to be held responsible to keep the program helpful to you. To accomplish this overall goal, one process objective is to develop groups for employees to join, in which members enjoy similar types of exercise. There's no one-size-fits-all approach that's going to work for every person. Therefore, it's important to find activities that you like to do and be more able to stick to them. Also, when you have a social group that shares your interests, it's easier to keep motivation high. Another objective, this is a behavioral impact objective, is to set up a reward or a competition system within each group. Just as not everyone likes the same activities, Not everyone will enjoy the same type of competition or reward style. This type of small group goal can also help to keep adherence to the program high. And the last objective that I have laid out is an outcome objective. This is that the average number of days that individuals perform 30 minutes of physical activity would increase to 4 or 5 days per week to increase the quality of overall health. And as I mentioned, I've worked out an arrangement with the local gym to offer a deep discount to employees who get a membership there. So as my job is to develop and implement this program, a key component is ensuring that I meet the objectives. I will be evaluating the impact in a couple of ways. One is that by having signups for the groups, I can measure how many people are starting and engaging in the program. Then we can determine if the number of individuals participating stays the same or increases. And we know that the groups, along with the reward or competition in each, is helpful to keep the adherence high or if it needs to change. Lastly, another survey will determine whether our ultimate goal of the average number of days with 30 minutes of physical activity has increased, which will show if the program has succeeded or not. Thank you for all of your time and being here with me today. I hope that I have answered your questions.